Hello, everybody, and
This
welcome
freaking
back to
parkour is way too
Keemstar
hard.
Land.
Shut the fuck!
Hey, before we start the video, I just want to apologize for the very bad upload schedule. I've been quite busy, but I promise you guys that there's better content coming. I just gotta edit the dozens of videos I have. For now, have this. I don't even know what this video is, honestly. Just know that this video progressively gets worse. I don't know why, it just does. Anyways, please consider subscribing, or not, it's your choice. I'll stop talking so you guys can get on with the video. Enjoy!
I like potato.
Potato, okay.
Call me potato.
Good lord.
Call me DJ Potato. I got.
Did you say call you Pajiji? Did you say call you Pajiji?
No, DJ Potato.
Okay, I made it. I'm
SCP-3.
chilling. We're vibing. We're vibing. We're vibing. We're chilling. Wait, why am I not uncrap? Go! Oh!
Yeah! Oh! If you're wondering
become
why my
like those
voice
people in
sounds
Detroit.
different today, I'm very sorry. I didn't do what you guys think I did.
Whoa, no one was implying
Yo,
that.
what's going on?
Bro, I was eating a
Oh,
cupcake. Yes!
Uh-huh.
I did it! I'm done.
it's...
I
Hey.
did it again!
No.
You don't understand? I'm doing this. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Are you ready? Wah!
Doing your mom,
Loser.
doing your mom.
Wah!
Doing your mom.
I'm doing your aunt. Oh.
We're not chilling. I'm changing this tile. We are
Guys,
not chilling.
I'm gonna do
We are
this.
not chilling.
I'm gonna do this.
We are not
I'm gonna do
chilling.
this.
We are doing mobs.
Baden, did you include your audio?
Subject D941. Please go back to the area.
No,
Bad.
I didn't. So I'm just
No.
gonna say a slur on Taser's stream.
No, don't say slur. Stop losing your barrier block.
I
I
can't.
didn't lose any.
I saw you. Oh my god.
I mean, technically, Cutter from the last video did say slur, so.
He did?
It wasn't
Yeah.
included, though.
Which one? Yeah, he turned off his audio.
Yeah.
No, remember in the last video, he's like, F sorry, F sorry, F sorry.
Those are not
That's
slurs.
not a
You just,
slur.
just swears.
Those are just swear words.
Wait, what's a slur? What's
Oh
the
my
difference
God.
between a slur?
Racial,
What's
like
the difference?
racial, like the N word,
Oh, it is?
Sorry.
or like when you call, think of Jared, okay?
Think of Jared.
You know, he how he
Yes.
calls,
Oh,
Fag
yay,
beans.
I did it
Beans.
again.
Think of beans.
Oh,
think of
I thought
beans.
a slur was just either way a bad word.
I mean, technically it
No.
is,
No.
but it's a special kind.
it's for those of a racial.
Yeah.
Okay,
ethnicity.
let's talk about frogs now.
Oh god, Tommy's
Frogs?
online.
Oh wait,
no.
Thomas is online?
Content.
No! Ah!
You know
Content
what that
machine.
means?
Oh,
That-
more
I'm sorry, that was
content!
Yo,
Content.
Thomas, include your audio. Don't say slurs.
My friend was like super pissed because we had to like clear ice off of his windshield when we had to like get off work. And I have a ton of videos of us fucking around with boxes because we got stuck in the store because they armed the store security and they have to wait a certain amount of time before they can unarm it. So we were stuck in the store, so they just made us do extra busy work. And we just had to fuck around with boxes. And then when we got out of the store, we had to clean off his front windshield. We had to clean off his front windshield. I was using my fucking hands. He was using this the windshield little shovel things. And then we were driving home, and the roads are horrible. Like it's completely like it was snowing really hard earlier, and then by the time we left, it was like heavy raining. So there was just ice everywhere. Like his car wasn't covered in snow. Like his windshield was completely frozen over with ice and snow.
Snipe.
Yeah.
Pretty sure
And then
we're gonna have to cut
I
all
went
of
in the
that out.
car because I didn't want to keep using my hands to clean off his windshield, and so I started. And he like pulled the windshield wipers off of his car so they weren't sucking against the window. And while he was wiping the window, I was randomly turning him on and hitting him with
What?
them. And I was randomly turning on his windshield wipers while they were like
I thought you
pulled
said
off
you
of
were
his car.
randomly turning him on. I'm like, what the fuck?
Bro!
I mean, who knows?
Oh, what a lucky, what a funny
Hey,
few,
yo!
Who knows?
But
Okay, confirmed?
But I kept hitting him with his windshield wipers, and he started flicking me off. And
Like a
as he
Chad.
was driving home, so there's a roundabout to my house. So you have to take the roundabout to cut to my house. He tries to turn in the roundabout, and the ice is slippery, and he slides past the roundabout and goes out the wrong exit. So we have to drive all the way down a road and turn around to make a U-turn. When he goes to make the U-turn, his car slides and hits the fucking curb, and we go over the curb and almost hit a tree. We drive back to my house. He almost hits the plow truck, and then we finally make it home. And he goes, by the way, I need to see my therapist, so this was on purpose. And then he drives off in full speed.
Oh, I did it. Oh,
What the
Christ.
fuck?
Front of it, guy.
Some life you
Dude.
have.
And this isn't the first time he's hit the curb, by the way, driving me home.
Oh no.
Well, last time he was actually driving me to work, but my mom was behind us,
Ugh.
like she was in the car, but she was the car behind us, and like she saw Corey pick me up, and then try and drift in the roundabout while people were in it, and then slide and hit the curb.
This is gay.
What a Chad.
Oh, he's not a Chad, he's retarded.
Can't do this anymore. I'm gonna fucking throw a cat.
Why is my A button?
Cancel.
I'm not gonna get canceled for throwing. Wait.
Okay.
Apparently there's a movement between my friends named Free Robbie. Apparently his work accidentally locked him in the break room, and he's been in there for 45 minutes.
Right now.
Not where I work, at Home Depot.
Oh,
So even better. Dude, somebody spray painted like a dick on one of the forklifts at Home Depot.
nice. Dude, I remember as a kid, my grandma and I would go to Home Depot just for their hot dogs.
Oh my
And
god.
then I would say
Hot
something
What
like,
was there?
Home
Hot
Depot's
dogs.
hot dogs, and we would start laughing.
When the
Why are
fuck
you
did they have
sweat-
hot dogs?
Why are you spanking
Oh.
a chocolate ball on your story, Salami?
Don't ask.
Hey, Sadie.
Bad chocolate ball. Oh, it nutted.
Sadie,
What?
you want to see my greenhouse?
Sadie?
Why?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know either.
Shoddy,
I have
you
to
wanna see my-
restart every single thing. I
No, you
hate
don't. You just go
that.
back
how
there.
you doing?
We're doing parkour, man. We're trying to be cool.
Yeah, parkour.
We're the cool kids.
I'm obviously gonna be chosen for the next MCC. Obviously. Who got rid of the cobwebs? There's cobwebs here.
I didn't.
I'm
Probably
sending
it
this
was-
to the
It
group
was probably
chat.
Stabby
I'm
who
sorry.
got-
This shit
Yeah.
hilarious as fuck.
I have to go in, like, 13 minutes.
Don't worry.
How dare you? My content will be so boring without you.
You know
Oh,
what?
it's already boring.
Thank
No, I'm
you.
kidding.
Damn.
It's been boring.
No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Why are you
Oh
whining?
No.
Strawberry cake pop?
Stop being horny, you fuck.
Oh my god, is this strawberry cake?
Yo,
Give me the strawberry cake pop.
Do you
It's
got
not
this?
my fault. You're like
the strawberry
underrated with your
Strawberry
little.
cap. Yo,
See, my
wait.
A button
So I
didn't
know you
work,
get
and
banned.
therefore
So I know you get like banned if you say like racially insensitive things. But what if I just say like swasta? You know what I mean?
No.
Kia.
No, isn't it? Oh, hey!
Bruh.
I didn't say the full word. I just said.
Why don't we
Swap.
talk
You're a
about
pussy.
something else other than risking her career?
Bro,
Risk
I
your
get
career.
banned, like,
Everybody
the
say a
second
slur.
day I've
My
been
hand smells like
streaming.
fish.
I am a fish. Wait, hold up.
Wait, what are you
That's
playing,
hot.
Cutter?
Oh
Cut,
no,
cut, cut.
Oh. Do any of you guys want to play Uno?
Hell no.
Oh,
Wait, we
Maybe
should all
I'm
play
ready.
Uno for
I
content.
want.
Should.
I'm not
After
doing
Logan
Spam
leaves.
4.
Wait, let's just
Yo,
wait until Logan
Uno?
leaves and then we play Uno.
Bruh.
what?
Wow.
What if Logan wants to play?
Logan
if
has to
I
leave
wanna-
in 13 minutes.
And
Guys, let's wait
Then we
till
just gotta speed run the
guys, let's
game.
But
wait till
then-
Logan.
But no, the
Let's
problem
wait till
is
Logan leaves so that we can have fun.
wow.
hot chicken wings on your
Brother.
area.
All I
How
see
do
is a
you grow 'em?
Steve. I'm sorry. All I see is a Steve.
Wait, can someone just can someone help me?
What?
It was what?
You can do it. Believe in yourself.
Okay, so
Wait, I don't
I've
have
been
my
thinking
wipers on.
we should put a website online saying hot chicken wings on your area.
What is wrong with you?
On?
On
Wait a
it.
minute,
Wait,
what the
on?
You know how you said cum flavored
There's
Gatorade?
at some point there's a border. 30 million world blocks.
And I was like,
And what
Yeah, I
the
know.
fuck is
It's
this
gonna
man
reach
The
that.
doing?
white
I was,
Gatorade
like, thinking
is
of an
actually
idea, like-
good though. It actually
It really is. It's actually really
okay.
good. Yes, it is.
What is this?
I'm not saying that I don't trust you. I'm just saying
Logan, it's actually the best flavor. As somebody
Calm.
that drinks Gatorade a lot, it is the best flavor.
it's common.
Other than red.
What
Dude,
the fuck is
Power-
Stop! Shut
okay,
up! Stop
Powerade
burning your little
sucks.
cocoa
Powerade
Garden
sucks.
come.
Powerade sucks.
Shimmery.
Powerade. Ass.
Powerade is awful.
Powerade
It
is
should-
literally
Okay.
just is
I
literally
have
the
a
most off-brand
question.
version of Gatorade, and it's not even
Apparently,
off-brand.
people
tastes
turn on
bad,
to
too.
putting water on white shirts. I don't understand.
It's okay.
guys.
Listen, it's basically my humor, but in perfect form for this sort of scenario.
It's
because-
basically my humor if I were funny. Nah, you're funny, Logan. I was joking.
Yeah.
But the
What?
way you said it made it sound dumb as fuck.
You want me to play Uno, motherfucker?
I just wanted to invite. I ain't getting them.
Rocky's
One
on Uno too.
invite?
We're gonna have to do like a draft. I call drafting
Oh.
myself.
I'm out. I'm not playing Uno.
Yo, I'm drafting.
either. I don't think I can
Good call,
uh,
Salami. Women don't usually get drafted.
Wow.
You know what? Usually men don't get drafted, but I guess you're gonna get drafted.
Oh my god.
My career is dead for
I don't like
forever.
how this is going.
Right, I'm
You're gonna
playing
get
with Bucky.
drafted into the
I don't
military, Wicked.
either.
Hey, don't.
Some chicks in
Senpai.
the
I won't.
Tommy,
I
stop
don't.
being a furry.
I
okay?
want the hot
Hi.
chicken wing.
chicken
Hi,
wing,
Bucky.
So
chicken
who's
wing.
supposed to tell me
I
what?
love hot chicken wings, if you know what I mean.
Sorry.
Hold on. You
could just ask.
Serious right now.
Oh
Who's
my
supposed to tell
god!
me what?
I'm out.
Oh my god!
I'm kidding.
Hot
Hi.
chicken wings.
It's getting a little hot in here.
Fucking
If you don't
Grit
think
texted me out
if
of
you don't think
nowhere.
green apples are good, then you're mid.
Hold
Hot
on.
green
hold on.
apples.
So
It's
Grit
your
texted
area.
me out of
There's turtles on my.
nowhere saying,
There's turtles in
Did
the
he-
ass.
Did he tell you yet? Who's
One
supposed to tell
Sorry,
me
little
what'd you
turtle
say?
went up your ass. 2 little turtles went up your ass. 3 little turtles
Thank
went
you,
up
Carter.
your
Now-
ass. 4 little turtles
Who's
went
supposed to
up
tell me
your
what?
ass. 5 little turtles went up your ass. 6 turtles went up your
Who's
ass.
supposed to tell me what?
7 turtles went up your
Yeah.
ass. What happens to the 8th one? It goes up
Carter.
your put. Oh, what's that fucking mean? They go hop. You know?
You mean the Vine boom?
No, it's the fucking. Is it Travis Scott? I don't remember.
I'm just gonna say it since everybody in the party knows.
Yeah, we're gonna cut this out in the video. Let's just cancel the video.
I mean, there's really no reason why I should include it.
Hey, make sure you guys cut that, okay?
I'm not.
I'm sorry,
not
I'm
saving
sorry.
this
It's for
bot,
content.
I'm not saving it.
For the
Okay,
content.
I don't think this YouTube channel can handle this anymore. I think we should just abort.
I
think
this
it's better
is
with
just, I
just
think this is just
abortion
the
with
sounds
people.
of nature of Xbox.
This
That just
is
A normal day in an Xbox party.
The sounds of Xbox.
the everyday life in an Xbox.
Oh, wait,
party.
no.
All right,
Like-
goodbye, guys.
You're
Bye.
dumb.
Hot chick.
Bye.
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 Hey, you see what we got there?
Bye.
You see what we got there, right? Yeah.
Bye.
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 Jesus Christ.
Oh, this is
No,
so
my
AIDS.
Oh no, bro. Oh.
This should be called cracked on Fortnite. This is even
I'm gonna have to
be
turn
in
down
the
my
video.
volume. This is actually hurting.
I don't think I'm gonna turn this into a video.
Okay.
This is too AIDS.